In Linda's lab, her freeze dryer has been a workhorse for years, but recently it's been ruining samples, breaking down, and requires a lot of babysitting. Linda needs a modern freeze dryer with the appropriate features to make lyophilizing her samples easier and more reliable. To select the proper collector temperature, Linda needs to know the freezing point of the samples she expects to lyophilize. For aqueous samples, a standard -50-degree collector may be sufficient. However, if your samples contain acetonitrile or other solvents, you'll need to look for a -84 or -105-degree collector. To know the right size of collector, Linda will also need to estimate the volume of her samples. The total sample volume of a run will determine the size of the freeze dryer needed, whether it be a small or large benchtop unit or a full-sized console system. Generally, the size of the collector must be at least 2 times the total sample volume per run. And remember, if your sample is corrosive, you'll need a PTFE-coated collector to prevent damage. Vials, bulk items, large numbers of tubes, and microplates are often placed on product shelves in clear chambers or on trays in tray dryers. Small numbers of sample tubes and large sample volumes are often lyophilized in flasks. Selecting a vacuum pump for your freeze dryer will be determined by the vacuum requirements of the freeze dryer itself, the samples, corrosiveness, and the level of maintenance preferred. Options include rotary vane pumps, scroll pumps, or combination hybrid pumps. Special features and accessories such as touchscreen, defrost, data collection, and endpoint detection can also make life and lyophilization easier. No more struggling with worn out and outdated equipment. Linda's new freeze dryer will have her team lyophilizing like pros, with less hassle, maintenance, and downtime, and more importantly, better results. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. Brought to you by LabConco.